So, are you preparing for the MSRA? Avoid these 7 mistakes which cost your exam. So, without further ado, just jump into your first mistake, which is working hard but not smart. MSRA is a really technical exam. You need to work really smart to get the exam. You need to understand the proper pattern of the exam and at the same time use the right resources like Revise MSRA, MCQs Wall, eMedica, past test as well. Past medicine is really the prolonged and lengthy question bank which is quite different from the actual exam, and also you spend more time on reading and preparing for the theory part and practice less, and try to do more practice as compared to the theory part. Second, don't give time to the SGD. So it is a normal tendency of every medical doctor to give more time to the clinical problem questions, but in this exam you need to give more time to the situational judgment exam, because if you are able to score good in clinical but can't able to score in situational judgment, you end up with not having a offer. So better to give more time to the situational judgment, even 60% of your effort to the situational judgment and 40% to the clinical type. So separate preparation of the clinical and SDK. So this is one kind of mistake I have done in the past, to do first as a clinical then as SDT, ultimately end up not getting an offer. So better to do daily situational judgment as well as the clinical questions. Next thing, which is also really important for us, study alone. So this is also the bad thing in the MSRA, because one portion of MSRA is a situational judgment, which is a pattern sort of exam. It is more of understanding rather than a knowledge. So better to study with some, at least one or two your study partner, which helps you to understand the situational judgment questions and also the clinical exams. So the exam which you need a lot of discussion rather than just keep on studying alone and making your own sense, you have to discuss it with your fellow doctors. Apply only to the GP. So that is also the weird thing, but it is shown to be happen in the MSRA exam. If you apply to the own GP only, you end up score low. I don't know what the reason, but it is happening. And so try to apply in the more specialty like GP and psychiatry and any other specialty which is available and you want to apply for it. So try to apply in the more specialties. Next thing is no revision. So that is also really important. So if you have a time, at least give yourself at least 7-day revisions before the exam. I have made a video on the complete plan for the MSRA, 28 days preparation and 1 week of revision. So if you have any problem with the revision, try to see that video, which helps you to prepare for the MSRA exam in just 35 days. Study more and less practice. This is also a mistake which normally people do. It's just like try to study the topics and try to study the theory and try not to solve the MCQs. For this exam, you need to solve as many MCQs you can and try to build a pattern of following this exam. So in this exam, you don't need much knowledge, but you need a lot of practice. This exam really check your approach, how to solve the questions. So it is more of a technical exam rather more of a knowledge exam. So this is all about the mistakes which you need to avoid to pass the MSRA exam. If you have any question regarding the MSRA, drop down in the comment below, and if you don't subscribe to the channel, subscribe to it and share this video to everyone who's preparing the MSRA exam, so it will help them. So see you in the next video. Bye.